Take a look at this Instagram account. Most of his reels have around 505,000 views, while some have reached as high as 42 million views. Additionally, there is another account with most of their reels having 70,000 views or more. It is safe to assume that these accounts generate significant revenue from this niche. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create similar videos for free. To create these videos, I am going to use Leonardo.ai. Click on Create Image. Now, for the prompts, use ChatGPT. Enter the prompt provided in the video description. Feel free to customize the prompt to fit your style. Copy the text. Go back to Leonardo.ai and paste it into the prompt box. Select the model and click Generate. Leonardo.ai can turn your images into engaging motion videos. Click on Generate Motion Video. You can pick the value of motion strength from 1 to 10. Higher numbers mean more movement. Click on Generate. It will take 25 credits to generate a 4-second video. After creating it, download the video. For editing, you can choose any software you like. I am going to use Clipchamp. Import your media here, add your video and background music to the timeline, and adjust it. When you're done, click on Download. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell icon for more updates about AI tools.